Alright guys, we are at the Wyndham Grand Desert in Las Vegas. Let's take a little bitty tour. Alright, so inside the front door, right away to the left, you have a big dining table. 6 people. Over here is the kitchen. I've got all our luggage in there, so let me clear that out in just a second, but I'll give you a better look at that in just a second. Alright, here's the bathroom. And this is a 2-bedroom villa. So here is the bathroom. Alright, so tile shower. Nice clean bathroom. Take a look at the toiletries that were left. Granite countertops. Into the smaller of the two. This is a 2, not sure if these are queens or doubles. They look like doubles maybe? I don't know, maybe they're queens. So this is the smaller of the 2 rooms, and it has a TV, and we have a courtyard view. So let's take a look down into the courtyard. Oh, pretty desert out there. Alright, so down into the courtyard. That is the adult pool, I believe. Maybe not, maybe I have them backwards. There's 2 pools. There is one there and one there. And that's just for this tower. I think the other tower over on the other side, there's 3 towers total. I think it has more pools. Alright, sorry for the flip around. Let's go this way. Alright, so back at the front door, if you come in to the right, there is a full kitchen, which is nice for families. We brought a little bit of food so we can make some sandwiches for one of the days that we're here. Full kitchen, full fridge, full oven, full microwave, so you could really do a lot as far as feeding your family. Little living room here, with a couch and a couple chairs and a TV. And this is my favorite part, the master suite. Check out that wall. It's like got this awesome portrait behind the bed. Oh, one of the kids was in here, flipped the pillows up. TV as well, and they have another nice view of the courtyard. And if you turn around this way, whoa, master bath with a look-through window. I guess it's not a window, it's just a space. And you're in the bathroom. Oh, bless me, sorry. And you're in the bathroom. So there's a shower, double vanity. This is a huge bathroom for a hotel. It's pretty awesome. Let's go check it out some more. So here it is. Big old jetted tub, full tile shower, double vanities, and the walk-through. Let's see. There is the toilet. A bunch of towels. Oh, no way. I'm glad I opened that. I didn't even realize I was there. So it has full laundry as well. That makes it super nice. Let's check out this closet. What's behind door number 2? A safe and a normal hotel closet. So there you have it. There is our in-room tour of a 2-bedroom villa at the Grand Desert Wyndham, Las Vegas. There it is. Enjoy.